What's up, guys? Today we're gonna continue with our spaceship type of game. Today we're probably gonna add explosions and I'll add sounds to it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much gonna be it, but maybe that's gonna be too short, so I might add mobile controls, I don't know. Well, let's just get started with it. So let's first start with our explosions. So what I'm gonna do for explosions is I'm gonna draw some costumes. You're gonna select asteroid. You're gonna name the first one asteroid. If you already did, then that's fine. You're gonna get a new costume. You're gonna start drawing your frameworking explosions. And you actually have to name your costumes by number. And I'll be right back with my explosions. Okay guys, I think I am done drawing my costumes. So here's how it actually works. Wait, let me just size it up just a little bit. So here's my first frame, second frame, third frame, the fourth frame. So it kind of goes like that, it explodes. And then the final frame, what you could really do is delete those and kind of go wild. So for the fifth frame, kind of go like that, kind of go wild, kind of like that. And I'm actually going to fix everything else, kind of like this. So maybe I'm not done, so I'll be back again. So here's my cycle, which kind of looks ugly, but good. And let's start coding now, which is also really simple. So what we're actually gonna do is we're not going to touch this code. This code is fine. But what we are going to touch is this code. And this code, obviously, but well then let's start with this one. You're gonna get an if statement and put that change life by -1. And what we're gonna do is equal costume name. So costume number, change that to name, equals, you're gonna go here, copy that, and you're gonna paste it here. And that's pretty good for this code. Now we're gonna move on to this one, which is also short. So it's really simple to make this explosions. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to control, repeat, and I'm gonna do repeat 4, even though there's 5 scenes. I'm gonna do wait 0.05 seconds, and we're gonna get switch to next costume. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do the last one 0.01 because it's kind of wobbly, it's too big. We're gonna show it for real split second. So now if we go, our thing should have those explosions, which looks pretty nice. But the last one isn't showing, so switch to next costume. Wait 1 second, switch to next costume. What we could do is change that to 0.05. but get another one, name it 0.01. Like, it's not a name, but you guys can input 0.01. Now we will be able to see our final wobbly one, which kind of goes like that. Like, it's very short. But as you see, it looks pretty nice. And if you don't like that big wobbly one, then you can delete it. And to delete it, what you could do is delete the costumes and delete this 3 codes. And there's really no, what we'll do is get a switch costume to asteroid and put it here. And I'm actually going to change that to 0.02 because it has too big gap between those normal ones and this big wobbly one. It should stay a little bit longer. And if you see, it has explosions now, which is pretty good. Next thing we're gonna do is, let's go ahead and add our sound effects. So I'll be right back with my amazing sound effects. So guys, I've got my sounds, and here's my laser shoot. So it's pretty nice. So I got something like that, and for my asteroid, for the explosions, I've got something like this. I really couldn't get the good ones, so but I'm satisfied with this, so let's stick with this, and we're gonna get start sound explosions. We're not gonna get play sound until done, because if done, we're gonna wait until the song finishes and get our costumes done. But we don't want that, and so yeah, I think that's good. So now it places the sound well. But now what we do need is some of those laser shooting sounds, because they're the best, I guess. So what we're gonna do is in here, we're gonna get a play sound shoot. If you think that's too noisy, then I guess you gotta go softer. Now if we go, it's a lot softer. But, you know, I want it more softer. It's your choice. I want it more softer, so I'll stick it like that. So that's pretty nice, and that's pretty short. So I guess I'll do one more system for you guys, and that is gonna be mobile control for this type of games. So let's get some ores and put it here like that. And let's get some ands. And this one, which is less than and a greater than. And let's get mouse X on the right side. And then for this one, let's get 50. For the other, let's get -50. And you want to get mouse down. So basically what that'll do is give us some good mobile controls. And we're going to put that in. Now what we're going to do is test out our mobile controls. So if we click it, kind of goes like that. Plus you can drag your mouse around while you're clicking, so that's pretty nice. But what you could really do is just to change that to 0. There is really no problem because of that mouse down. And we can still control with our WASD, not W, and A and D keys. And we can use our mouse. And that's pretty good. So that's how you make mobile control for this type of games. And we have added sound effects, explosions, and that's pretty nice. So I guess this is gonna be it for the episode. I'm not sure if we're gonna do more of this. If we do, probably we're gonna add some of those menus upgrades. Pretty nice. So, yeah, I think that's good enough for the episode. So, see you in the next episode, and remember to subscribe and a like. And I'll actually share this in my studio, so you guys can check it out, use it, I don't know. Anyways, peace.